my first impressions of the Blue Moon palette. This is from Lady Joker Cosmetics. So I just used it today. I used all of them except this silver shade. And I like it. I just wish it was more pigmented. I needed to pack on a lot, but it's a small indie Instagram brand, so it is hard to find really great quality eyeshadow whenever you have a low budget. So it's understandable, but it's good overall. I recommend it if you want like a mini small palette and you don't want to waste a lot of money, but you want to support small brands, then yeah, you should buy it. But it's not the best. It's not 5 out of 5. It's like 3.5 out of 5 or 3 out of 5, around there. I'm just gonna swatch it a little bit, but on my hand because I have long sleeve and blah. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with the Standing Alone shade. This one is especially, you can barely tell I have it on. It was really hard to build up, but I tried. It's visible, but it's not as pigmented as I hoped. Look, I have to reapply and it's not showing up, and I'm fair, so yeah, it's not pigmented. But it's something, you know, it's better than nothing. So the next is called Dream. Oh yeah, this is matte, and then this one's matte shimmer. Yeah, this one's more pigmented. Look, you see this one, you can see more, but still this one I still had to pack on a lot. Okay, the next one is Prayer. Is this shimmer shade. Look, with one swipe it's there, but you can really see, so you have to do like a lot of swipes. Same with my eye. So the next one is Moon. Same with this one, I had to pack on a lot. See, like it's there, but it needs more pigment. Okay, the next is Adore Me. This is a pressed glitter, and like most pressed glitters, they're not as great because they don't really stick on the eye. It's very hard to describe, but it's not the best, but it's not as bad, but it's still not great. I don't really use pressed glitters, so you see it's like grainy, and I don't know how to explain. It's not as pigmented. It is pigmented, you can see it, but it just doesn't spread correctly like a glitter like these, you know. I don't know how to explain that. So yeah, but you see it just stays in your finger. Instead of your eye, so just like little bit, but not a lot like you wish, or you know. But it's better than most, because there's some that nothing appears in my eye, like nothing. So it's pretty good, I guess. It's alright. It's not the worst there. So the next one, Love on My Own. This one I haven't used, but it's gonna be the same as the, yeah, you see, you can see it, but it's not as, you know, opaque, I guess. No, I don't know. So yeah, that's basically all the swatches. They're all beautiful blues. I recommend them. I love blues, so yeah. So yeah, should you buy it? I don't know, but it's good. It's good. It's alright. Okay, next, the lashes I'm wearing right now. I don't know if they're cruelty free, but I like them. They're soft, they don't poke my eye, they're pretty, they're natural, but with fullness, they're in between, so I like these. The next thing she has is her lip liner. Where is it? This one. It's really pretty, and I don't know if y'all noticed, like as soon as I apply it, it runs smoothly and sharp. It was pigmented, it wasn't skipping, it was really smooth. I recommend this lip liner so much. Like, I think this is my favorite out of all her products. Like, girl, you should buy it. This one is great, and the color is everyday. It's pigmented. 5 out of 5. It's really amazing. Okay, and the last thing she has is her liquid lipstick and Sweet Tooth. It's like a shimmery liquid lipstick. No, it's like it's a lip gloss, but it's like dual chrome. Like, you see, very shimmery, but it's really pigmented. Look, it's really glossy, shiny. It is not sticky. Smells really well, like candy. I don't know, like cocoa butter, like sweet, like vanilla. I don't know. It's really good. I also recommend this. I love this as well. This is like the perfect combo. I wouldn't think of wearing mauve with this, but I recommend it. So yeah, everything. Oh yeah, and her earrings, they're nice. They're not heavy. It looks like they're not uncomfortable. What else? I think that's all. So yeah, I do recommend her products. Go check out her Instagram. I'll put all the details in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.